Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another update for you guys. So we are at the Catherine's Estate housing development. It's also called the Bernard Lodge Estate. Alright, so it's also called the Bernard Lodge Estate as well. So we're doing an update for you guys just to show you the pace of the construction and everything. It's a partnership between China Arbor Engineering, that's one of the developer, and also HAJ, Housing Agency of Jamaica as well. So there we saw two glimpses of the one bedroom and the duplex as well. So I'll be showing you guys the progress of the work, and then we'll get some drone shots in. So definitely stay around guys, so you can see some aerial eagle eyes view. So we're right here. Alright, so we're right here on the Salpan Main Road. That's the Caramed Warehouse and Distribution Center. I did a video on it a few weeks ago, so I'll put that in the comments for you guys as well. You can check it out. It's right beside the Catherine's Estate Housing Development. Alright, so that's one of the units that looks closest to finish. To be a mixture of studio units, one bedroom units and two bedroom. Prices start at 5.5 mil Jamaican dollars, and the size for that studio for 5.5 is like 237 square feet. Alright, so work is ongoing. Not a lot of the units are up as yet. This is about say 10 to 15 units that's above ground, but they're putting in drainage work, road works as they go along as well. Alright guys, so definitely comment, leave your thoughts, let me know what you think about the development. We know China Arbor Engineering is the contractor for a lot of projects, but this is one of the first projects that they're the developer for. So we know this project started some years ago and failed. So there is now a new partnership with HAJ and China Arbor Engineering. Kris and Charles Investment Limited has partnered with the channel Raymore Reviews, so you guys definitely show them some support. They're also having a promotion right now. So this is the promotion. It's the feel free promotion. Borrow up to $1 million and pay less than $20,000 monthly. So the promotion runs until the end of April 2021, so you guys definitely check them out, and you can even WhatsApp them to 838-9028. So check them out guys. Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited partnered with the channel, so show them some support. Guys, so comment, let me know your comments. So 5.5 mil, 237 square feet. What they want to do, I just spoke with one of the China Arbor Engineering personnel, so they want to complete 50 first and have those sold off, and they keep doing them in phases of 50. Yeah, so he said that it's gonna be 600 in total. So I know a lot of persons interested. Ensure that you're ready. So once they're ready, you're ready. Ensure your money is ready. Ensure your ducks are in a row, so you guys can definitely make use of this opportunity. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. This is a developing area, so it's right off the highway right over there. It's close to Spanish Town and Portmore. And then we know Caramed is developing this warehouse and factory over this side as well. So leave your thoughts, let me know what you think. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, so there you have it. St. Catherine's Estate, also known as the Bernard Lodge Estates. Studio starting at 5.5 mil, 237 square meter. Remember to leave your comments, remember to like, subscribe, share. Go on over to my Instagram page, Raymore Reviews-JA, and let me know what you think.